Hi everyone, welcome to this value lesson using acrylic paint. We're going to start by, in our palette, creating 3 different values of the colors that we're going to be using. So we're going to start with white, and then have a mix of purple and white, and then one that is just straight purple. If I had black paint, I actually likely would have added a 4th value, and that would have been with mainly purple and a little bit of black paint as well for that final darkest layer. We're going to start with the white paint, and we're going to again choose our spot for our moon and start with again circular motions for our moon shape. Now I'm going to go into the next color, and you'll notice that I didn't actually mix the 2 colors together in the palette. I've left the white and the purple kind of separate in there, and that's again to give me this kind of streaky effect of the purple and the white mixing together, as opposed to that solid, already pre-mixed color. And I actually kind of like that effect, but you could absolutely mix the colors in the palette and have more of a very obvious level of value in between each stage. I particularly like the mix of the 2 colors together. I continue layering my paint, consistently moving in the circular motion around the moon. And you'll notice that I also don't wet my brush or clean in between colors either, because we're moving from lightest to darkest. There's no need. Now once we start to get closer to the edge of our paper, we're going to move into that darkest color, which in my case is just the solid purple. And I'm going to continue filling in all of the white area. Trying to even out any globs of paint is helpful as well, just given the type of paper. As it dries, it will curl and roll a bit, so trying to get the paper as dry as possible, so not having big clumps of paint is going to help in the paper drying as quickly as possible. Now once my paper is dry, I'm going to come in with my pre-cut templates of whatever image you want to use. I've decided to go with bats in this case, and I'm actually going to turn this into not just a value exercise, but also a perspective exercise. So by cutting 3 different bats in varying sizes, I can create the illusion of depth by having the smaller ones look like they're further away and the larger ones looking as if they're closer. Once you decide where you want to position your bats, you can go ahead and glue them down. Thanks for joining me for this value tutorial using paint. I look forward to seeing all of your creations.